Every engine deserves a fresh start. BG EPR, Engine Performance Restoration, cleans the lubrication system, removing deposits from piston rings and micro passageways that maintain the critical hydraulic function of components. BGMOA has a reputation for protecting engines from sludge contamination and wear. Service managers nationwide prefer BGMOA 4:1 over any other product. BGCF5 keeps the entire fuel injection system deposit-free at each oil service. The lifetime BG protection plan is included free with each performance oil service.